Let us prepare this simple 3-ingredient recipe.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a white pan, add 2 tablespoon milk powder, approximately 400 grams of condensed milk of any brand of your choice, stir it well. Add 400 grams of crushed paneer. Adding paneer brings in delicious taste and a perfect coarse texture while you eat. Continuously stir this mixture and cook it in low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Add a pinch of elaichi powder to enhance the taste. Cook this until you get a perfect consistency and texture. Take a high-edged vessel like a glass tray or a baking tin and grease it with some ghee or butter. Transfer the prepared mixture into this greased tray. Level the mixture at the top. Garnish it with some chopped pista and badam. Refrigerate this for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
After 2 hours, pull this out of the fridge and cut it into pieces of desired shape and size. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.